I sold over $2,800 in just 1 month selling on Poshmark. This is a part-time gig. I do have a full-time job, but if I can make sales of over $2,800 on Poshmark, so can you. Now I will highlight some of the items that I sold this month on Poshmark, not every item, as that would take forever. Stick around until the end of the video to see which items sold for the most money on Poshmark. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. I am a reseller part-time, however I do have 20 years of experience selling on eBay. My full-time job as a technology professional, reselling is my passion. Now let's see some of the items that I sold on Poshmark for over $2,800 as a part-time gig. These are items that I find in my local thrift stores, including Goodwill, that you may have in your own home or in your own area. I share this information with you so that you too can seek out these items and sell them for a profit online. Let's get started. So we'll start with this pair of Born Wedge sandals. They are new without tags. I paid $4 for these back in August. We are heading into the winter months, so when an offer came through of $22, I accepted. I probably could have held out for more, as like I said, they are new without tags. But I paid just $4 for these at Goodwill. So my profit on this one pair of shoes, $12.20. The next item on Poshmark was a pair of Pearl Izumi cycling shoes. I also paid $4 for this at Goodwill. They are a larger size 11.5 in men's. They sold for $30. So my profit on these cycling shoes, $20. I've also had these since August, so about 3 or 4 months. And I sold this pair of swim shorts for women. Again, we're heading into the winter months. So this is a swimsuit that recently sold for $25. I paid $2 for it at Goodwill. It is new with tags. It's just the swim short bottom. I've not heard of this brand name before. It's Aqua Bell. But being a larger size and new with tags, I took a chance on it. So my profit on these swim shorts, $18. This is an extra large hunting shirt by Game Guard, another new to me brand, and this is what that tag looks like. I'm not sure if this is camouflage or what it is. It looks like it has some sort of animal on it. But Game Guard. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 2 days on Poshmark for $33. So my profit, as you can see here, it's got ducks on it. That looks like a duck. Anyway, so my profit, $22.90. The next item is also from Goodwill. It's a Victoria's Secret corset bra. Bras at my Goodwill are $2 each. This sold for $29. It was listed a little over 1 month. So my profit on this gold, metallic, and black bra, $21.20. As you look up here, I did use all the keywords. I used underwire, Victoria's Secret, satin. To me, it looked like something bridal, so I added bridal and bra, as well as lace. Here's another pair of swim shorts. This is a bikini bottom, also plus size, from Torrid. I do believe this is the older label of Torrid, but again, it was plus size 2X, only $2 at my Goodwill, so I did pick it up and take a chance on it. It sold as we're heading into December for $36 on Poshmark. So my profit after the fees and my cost of goods, $26.80. So yes, you can sell swimwear separately, the individual top and bottom. And this actually sold within 4 months. This pair of shoes sent all the creeps from Facebook messaging me, wanting to know if they smelled etc. So I was so happy when these actually sold on Poshmark. I paid $1 for these at a local thrift store. As you can see, they are pretty well worn, even on the bottom, as well as the inner footbeds. They sold for $28 on Poshmark, so my profit after the fees and my cost $1 was $26.29. So yes, old dirty sandals from Birkenstock still sell well. This is a football jersey, Troy Aikman, extra large from the Dallas Cowboys. I paid $5 for this at my local thrift store. It sold for $45 on Poshmark. So my profit on this NFL jersey, $31. The next item to sell was one from my personal closet. It is an Under Armour fleece full zip jacket. I just didn't wear this jacket, so I thought I would throw it up and see if it would sell, and it actually did. As you can see here, there is a flaw, a mark on the back right sleeve, which I did disclose. It sold within 1 week of listing for $31. So my profit on this jacket from my own personal closet, $23.30. For items that are an odd color, I do like to use a Crayola crayon to match the colors. So when the buyer asks, oh, hey, this isn't red, it's orange, I always try to match that color. And here you can see I matched it with the Crayola crayon Robin Eggs Blue, which is also disclosed in my item description. The next item that sold is a pair of Columbia men's pants, size 42 by 32. These are the zip-off pants, so I did add convertible to my title here. When folks are searching for these zip-off pants, they often use convertible, meaning they can convert into shorts. I paid $1 for this at my local thrift store. They sold for $30 within 2 months of listing, so my profit, $23. I do pick up these hiking pants quite often. Columbia is a brand that I look for, but I also look for Cool and, of course, Patagonia. Here's another item from my own personal closet, a Banana Republic button front shirt. Again, I just stopped wearing this shirt, so I thought I would try to sell it. It did sell for $10 on Poshmark. It was listed going on 3 months. So my profit on this long sleeve button front shirt, $7.05. I do not seek out this brand to resell, but again, it was from my closet, so I thought I would try to sell it. The next item is a pair of Basque boots. These I picked up at that giant church sale here in town, so it was a bag sale, $5 for the bag. This fit in the bag, so basically everything in that bag I averaged out to 50 cents each. These sold for $40, so my profit after the Poshmark fees of $8 was $31.50. These are Basque, that's what that tag looks like, hiking shoes. They are waterproof, and I did add hiking in my title as well. I don't try to clean these shoes. As you can see here, they're still a little bit dirty. I just disclose that. The shoes have been gently worn and do show signs of dirt. Not bad. I haven't tried to clean them, but you can. I figured they're going to get dirty anyway, so I'm not going to waste my time. The next item that sold on Poshmark is a pair of ski pants, Bonfire, for women. I've had these for about 7 months, so I knew they would sell heading into the winter snow ski season. It was just a matter of time. I paid $4 for these at Goodwill. They sold for $55, so my profit was $40 after the fees and my cost of goods sold. And the next item I'd like to share with you is a pair of Carhartt bib overalls. These are insulated. I paid $10 for these at a garage sale over the summer, so they took about 4 months to sell. These are a size 42 short, which is kind of an odd size, and these were returned based on fit, so I just relisted them and they sold fairly quickly for $70. So my profit on these Carhartt bibs, $41.50. Taking a look at my keywords, you can see I used Carhartt, I used the size 42 short, which is also key, quilt, lined, insulated, as well as coverall. The last item I'd like to share with you is a necktie. Now, I do love selling neckties. They are small and lightweight to ship, and I love that they don't take up much room in storage. This is a Christmas tie, Looney Tunes. I've had this for about 4 months. I paid $1 for it at a thrift store. The buyer sent me an offer of $9, which I quickly accepted. Again, it's a Christmas tie. We're heading into Christmas season, and I just wanted to see it go. I do have a lot of neckties that I've had for quite some time. So my profit on this tie, $3.55. So I'm a little bit more selective on the neckties that I pick up nowadays, even though they are usually about $1 at my Goodwill. I just shared with you some of the items that I sold on Poshmark that helped me gross over $2,800 in sales. Now let's take a closer look at the numbers. Sales on Poshmark last month were $2,829. The Poshmark fees were $620. My actual purchase price of the items sold, $281, leaving my net profit close to $2,000 at $1,928. Now this is all pre-tax. I will have to pay taxes on that number, but that's a pretty good net profit on those items that I sold on Poshmark last month. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post weekly what sold videos. However, those weekly videos do not include my plush animal sales. Those are special enough to make it into their own video, and another one of those should be coming out soon. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.